Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Asus laptop to factory settings. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type down reset this PC. Alright, and just go ahead and click on this system setting, like so. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, we have this option, reset this PC. Click on it, or this button right here. Now you have two options. First one, keep my files or remove everything. Okay, if you want to start fresh, go ahead and use remove everything. Okay, but if you want to keep some of your files from documents or the documents folder, or even from your desktop, you can go ahead and select this option. But if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and make a backup. Okay, go ahead and save it on your extra flash drive or a pen drive, and then go ahead and select the option remove everything to start fresh. Okay, just click on one. Now wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have two options. If you're currently connected to the internet, go ahead and select cloud download. So when you click on this option, it will automatically install all available updates. If you don't want that, you can go ahead and click on local reinstall, okay, and update your computer later. Okay, this one right here will take some time, but this one does not. Okay, just select one. Now go ahead and click on next, next, follow the simple prompts, and after that, your Asus laptop is now set to factory settings. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.